Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel and welcome to our kitchen. We're doing another fun dish today, but we're going to do it inside in my enamel cast iron Dutch oven right here. And what it is Cornish Game Hens with wild rice. Doesn't that sound yummy? Yes, it will be. And I've gone ahead and cooked 4 cups of wild rice, and I'm gonna, in my wonderful rice cooker, I'm going to put that in a bowl here. And what I've done ahead of time is I have sauteed bacon and then I drained it. And if it's real meaty bacon, you don't need to drain it. And then I put in onions, a half of a medium-sized onion, green peppers and celery, and I just sauteed those till they were tender. I'm going to add that to my rice mixture. And these are 2 Cornish game hens that I have split in half and seasoned them with a wonderful seasoning that I have. It's called ancho honey citrus spice, and it has a little bit of a kick to it, but not bad. And then we are going to bake this in our oven with the lid on, 350 for an hour to an hour and a half. We'll be checking it. Wow, our wonderful dinner got done. Look at this. Doesn't this look awesome? This is our Cornish game hen with wild rice. My goodness, does this look wonderful. And it's incredibly simple to make. You can make it outside in your Dutch oven cooking area, or you can do our cast iron cooking that we do in the oven. It works out wonderful. And now I'm going to take a bite. Of course I'm going to take a bite. My goodness. That is excellent. My. There you go. We enjoy you today. Thank you for joining us. Of course, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. And of course, we're going to have a wonderful meal tonight. And all you really need with this, because you've got your wild rice and your meat, is have a wonderful tossed salad to go with it, or a fruit salad, whatever you'd like. Or here's a salute to all of our viewers, our family, our friends, everybody that supports us. We appreciate all of you. Of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Until we meet again, thank you.